Hello, this is Mr. Z, and today's topic is external stimuli of plant tropisms. Today you will need your journal, a pencil, and an electronic device. The learning objectives for today are to investigate how organisms respond to external stimuli found in the environment, such as phototropism and fight or flight. You will also explain and illustrate the different types of tropisms that are commonly exhibited by plants. You will also perform an experimental investigation to explore the effects of external stimuli on plant growth or organism behavior. If you remembered last week, we were talking about the endocrine system and specifically the adrenal gland, which releases a hormone in your blood called adrenaline. The adrenaline gives your body an extra burst of energy, more oxygen in your muscles, enables you to run faster or do things with almost superhuman strength. When this happens, we will usually respond in a fight or flight situation. Fight means, of course, to fight your way out of that situation, and flight means to run away from that situation. These same responses also occur in plants, and this is what we're going to be looking at today. Tropisms have to do with plants, and we're going to explain to you the different types of tropisms in this lesson that plants can have. And finally, we're going to watch an experiment, and we're going to design our own experiment to explore how external stimuli can affect plant growth. Right now, take out your journal, and for the title of this section, you're going to label it External Stimuli of Plant Tropisms. Go ahead and pause the video while you write that title down, and go ahead and write down the objectives that we're going to learn today. Pause the video, and when you're finished writing, return back to the video. All right, now that you have written down the objectives for the day, we're going to begin this lesson with a discussion question. And you have two choices to answer, either discussion question number 1 or discussion question number 2. Both discussion questions will require you to answer it in the sentence stem that is given, and also make one comment to another student's comment. You will either agree or disagree with their comment. All right, so the choices are, number 1, have you ever seen a plant move? And you can begin that response with a sentence stem that starts like this. One type of plant movement that I have seen is, and you will complete that. You will also read all your fellow students' comments, and you will agree or disagree with one of the comments. And you will use this format: I agree and disagree with your comment because. Be sure to be polite and respectful when you're agreeing or disagreeing with another student's comment. The second choice is, what is the purpose of plant movement? Why is it necessary? The sentence stem that you will use is, I believe that the reason a plant moves is, and you'll complete that sentence. Again, you will either agree or disagree with a comment of a fellow student. All right, well, that concludes the introduction of external stimuli of plant tropisms, and we will continue to learn about them.